Saravanan. We are into construction, stone crushing, mining, and actually we are also having few other expansions. Mining, we are fairly new. About past 5 years we are into mining, out of which 3 years actually it is active in Kanchipuram. We want a maintenance-free excavator in the first place because we are coming into that field freshly, so we don't want failures actually to disturb our concentration of our main activity, which is mining. That's the reason why we selected CAT. And secondly, after buying CAT, we came to know the productivity level compared to our rented multi-brand excavators we utilized before took our decision. The fuel economy per metric ton is, there is a huge difference between others. Huge means to an extent of about 20% clear-cut differences there. Reliability was the main reason for which I went for CAT. And even it proved, we are pretty happy towards our decision. The downtime is less. The engine is pretty reliable. In quarry, we are not, that kind of sophistication will not be there. There will be maintenance level will be little poor compared to maybe any automobile or actually maybe diesel engine generators kind of situation. In those conditions, we never had any failure related to diesel pump or fuel related failures were minimal. That induced us to go for more machines actually when we require more machines. Naturally, there is no big bugs as far as CAT is concerned, and we are happy with our decision, and it is also economically proven, so we stick to our decision of CAT. That's why all the 4 machines are actually from the same family. In 323 D3, the longer undercarriage means little less slip. In gradients, especially we are in the process of forming one more approach road for the same existing 10-acre quarry, where we need to ply the machines on steeper gradients and unpaved surfaces, and which is predominantly rocky in nature. In those areas, this machine worked relatively well. The slip rate is substantially less. Actually, it was a big boom. Even though the earlier 2010 machine was having a general purpose 1.14 m3 bucket, we were predominantly using it, and even after 3.5 years, it is still in service. But the newer machine actually coming with a 1.2 m3 rock bucket makes a huge difference. It sounds there is no big difference, but we can feel why the productivity and the operator confidence actually in operating the machine. Measured success means it should be economical and it should be reliable, and it is also backed by good field service, and they are pretty friendly. My experience with Gemco is actually over 15 years old. That's one of the reasons why it was actually my decision drifted actually towards Caterpillar in the first place. Their after sales service is fabulous. Even we have seen actually a few failures during monsoon and other times. Their support is flawless and trustworthy. Naturally, any good friend of mine, I will recommend this machine.